Okay, welcome to third AV. Let us start with simple future tense. Pattern of simple future tense. साधा भविष्य काळ. Yes plus shall will plus V1 plus O. Now you can easily understand or identify this tense because where there is shall will, you can easily say this is future tense. Yes plus shall will plus V1 plus O. Example: she will read a novel. She subject shall will is here. Read a novel. She will read a novel. He will watch a television. Yes will V1 O. They will build a house. Yes will V1 O. Simple future tense, साधा भविष्य काळ. Now turn to next. Simple future tense is used to indicate that an activity or event will take place at a time in the future. भविष्य काळात जी घटना घडणार आहे त्यासाठी simple future tense वापरतात. Next examples. When I am retired, I am going to travel. When I am retired, I am going to travel. Next week we will work on punctuation. He is going to get his car fixed tomorrow. Our plane departs at soon next Friday. Okay, turn to next. Indicators. Tomorrow, next Saturday, next week, next month, next year, etc. These are the indicators of simple future tense. I will stay. I will stay. Here we can also use I shall stay. In I and we use shall. I shall, we shall. You will stay, you will stay. She, he, it will stay. She, he, it will stay. We will stay, we will stay. They will stay, they will stay. These are the format of simple future tense. Form 2. I am going to stay, I am going to stay. That means instead of shall or will, you can also use going to. Going to is also indicating future part of the tense. I am going to stay, I am going to stay. You are going to stay, you are going to stay. She, he, it is going to stay. We are going to stay. They are going to stay. Going to indicating simple future tense. Now next, future continuous tense. Pattern: yes plus shall will plus be plus V1 plus ing plus O. Example: I shall be reading a novel. He will be watching a television. She will be singing a song. Now I, subject, shall, auxiliary verb, be is there, read ing, V1 plus ing, object a novel. Yes will be V1 plus ing O. Yes will be V1 plus ing O. फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स म्हणजेच आपण त्याला चालू भविष्य काळ असं म्हणतो. नेक्स्ट, this tense is used to refer to activities that will be continuously in progress around some future time. Example: we will be flying over New York at noon tomorrow. Shall will plus be plus verb plus ing plus O. This is pattern. Now future perfect tense. Yes plus shall will plus have plus V3 plus O. This is the pattern of future perfect tense. Example: she will have read a novel. तिने कादंबरी वाचलेली असेल या अर्थाने. He will have watched television. तो टेलिव्हिजन पाहून राहिलेला असेल या अर्थाने. They will have built a house. Yes plus will plus have plus V3 plus O. Yes plus will plus have plus V3 plus O. Yes plus will plus have plus V3 plus O. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense expresses the idea that an activity will occur before some future times. She will have finished dinner before the game starts. Yes plus shall will plus have plus past participle plus O. Future perfect continuous tense. Pattern: yes plus shall will plus have plus been plus V1 plus ing plus O. This is pattern of future perfect continuous tense. चालू पूर्ण भविष्य काळ. She will have been reading a novel. ती कादंबरी वाचून राहिलेली असेल. भविष्य काळात ती क्रिया पूर्ण होत असलेल्या अर्थाने. He will have been watching a TV. I shall have been learning English. Yes will have been V1 plus ing plus O. Yes will have been V1 plus ing plus O. Yes shall have been V1 plus ing plus O. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to refer to activities that will be continuously in progress before a future times. Example, he will have been working for 3 hours before you arrive. Yes plus shall will plus have plus been plus were plus v1 plus ing plus o. He will have been working for 3 hours before you arrive. तू येण्याच्या आधी तो 3 तास काम करून राहिलेला असेल या अर्थाने. Now this is one of the important chart where you will get an idea in what way you can use the tense, and all the information is given in the table. Patterns are there, types of tense, simple, main types, present, past, future. These are subtypes: simple, perfect, continuous, and accordingly here simple present tense, this is pattern of simple present tense, yes plus v1 plus o. Simple past tense, yes plus v2 plus o. Simple future tense, yes plus shall will plus v1 plus o. Present perfect tense, yes plus has have plus v3 plus o. Yes plus had plus v3 plus o. Future perfect, yes plus shall will plus have plus v3 plus o. Present continuous, yes plus is m r v1 plus ing plus o. Past continuous, yes plus was were plus v1 plus ing plus o. Future continuous, yes plus shall will plus be plus v1 plus ing plus o. And all these are present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. These are whole patterns. If you see carefully this table, you can easily said here in every perfect tense there is use of v3, 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 v3. In every continuous tense there is v1 plus ing, v1 plus ing, v1 plus ing, v1 plus ing. In every perfect continuous tense there is been use of been, been. So with the help of this chart you can easily understand in what way we can use our tense in actual language. Okay, according to my capacity, according to my knowledge, I will try to give you best about the tense. So you have to learn it carefully and use it in a proper way. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.